Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: app installed, KYC and checkbook entitlement enabled, and your SBI business credentials ready. Open Yono SBI Business and log in. Make sure you use the correct user role. Once logged in, tap the Accounts tile and select the current account for which you want a checkbook. This first step locks in the account context and avoids sending the request to the wrong account. Now move directly to Checkbook Request Options in the Account menu. You now choose the checkbook request flow. Tap Checkbook or Request Checkbook from the selected account, then pick Leaves, 25, 50, or a custom quantity if offered. Make sure the delivery address shown is correct. Edit it if needed. Confirm any nominal charges and continue. SBI will send an OTP to your registered mobile. Enter the OTP promptly. Once the OTP verifies, review the summary and submit the request so the system queues it for processing. Finish by capturing the reference number and estimated delivery date shown on screen. Take a screenshot if needed. You can track status via service requests or checkbook status in the app and contact your branch or customer care with the ref number for faster help. If OTP or submission fails, wait 2 minutes and retry. Make sure your mobile number is the one registered with SBI. If issues persist, visit the branch to confirm entitlement and address details so processing can proceed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.